If you are looking to add more propane tanks to your application, the GS Gang series from propanemanifold.com might be exactly what you're looking for. So if you currently have a hose and a regulator, let me show the different fittings that we offer. This is a single QCC fitting with a fuel gauge with the inner thread connections and the outer thread for like a hand wheel. We are now introducing our three-way, which is similar to the one but just with 3 and a fuel gauge. Then we have the 1/4 inch male and PT fitting and the POL fitting for a fuel gauge. So all these fittings are for your regulator. And again, this is the GS Gang series. This is a 3 tank. They do come in 2 and in 4 and up. So please check out propanemanifold.com and go to the shop selection and look under the Gang series and get some equipment today. Thank you.